nagging cough, you want to pinch your biceps to reduce that cough. This is nagging cough solution number 1. So what you want to do is you want to find your biceps and you want to pinch it like this, right? So you want to lift it on both sides. See, you pinch it from here and you pinch it from here. Here's your biceps, right? So from the outside, your biceps are right here. So this nerve right here is connected to your lungs. This nerve down here is connected to your heart. By pinching your biceps and stimulating down, up and down your biceps, it will increase blood circulation to your chest, your lungs, your heart, which will help you, spit out all that mucus that's stuck in your lungs, right? This is great for if you have a virus infection or allergies, like here in Austin, Texas, super allergies. So this is super effective. Pinch both biceps. Do it for 30 seconds, twice a day. Make sure you like this post and follow me here for more of these awesome solutions. Your lungs, okay? So this is called your thenar eminence of your thumb. And this little part mimics, it looks like a lung, right? Like a lobe. And then you have 2 lobes, see? You have 2 lobes, 2 lobes to 2 lungs. So if you're coughing, you have chest congestion, you can press along here, same thing. Press along this little meaty part of your thumb. This meaty part of your thumb images your lungs. So you want to press, you're going to feel really sore here, right? You want to press here and take a deep breath. So I would say press for 10 seconds, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and then take a deep breath. And then blow out, okay? Blow out. And then if it still feels constricted or you're coughing, then press again. Find the spots, okay? And do both thumbs, which will hit both lungs. These will help your lungs. Now, if you have mucus in your lungs, don't be alarmed if you start coughing. Because if you have mucus in your lungs, the only way to get rid of that mucus is to cough it up. So you want to cough it. You want to cough it out, okay? So by pressing here will help you cough up that mucus. And even if your lungs feel tight, pressing right here will allow you to open up. We call bronchodilate, okay? Or bronchioles, okay? So just within your hand, you have the power to relieve some of these symptoms. All right, guys? You got the C cough, or if you got any type of cough, you want to love on your legs. So it doesn't matter if your cough is due to a virus, bacteria infection, allergies. It doesn't matter if you have a productive cough, dry cough, tickle in your throat, tickle in your lungs, anything. You want to improve blood circulation to your lungs so that it can help you spit out all that mucus, prevent an infection, but also help you with that cough. So what do I mean by love on your legs? Well, in your calves, your calves got 2 muscles. So you want to love on both sides of your calves. Love on your legs, love on that calves. And you find a tender spot, you want to love on it even more, okay? I'm trying to keep my booty out of this. But you want to love on both sides of your calves to help increase blood circulation to your lungs, which will help you stop that cough and getting more oxygen to your lungs, okay? Make sure you follow me here. Click the follow button. You got the chronic cough, then you want to rake your chest to instantly get rid of that mucus. So whether you got the C virus or whatever respiratory virus that is making you cough, maybe it's allergies. Allergies are huge in Austin. And so basically the mucus is stuck in your chest, right? So you want to rake it. Like use your claws to rake it. Rake it here. And if you have someone else, rake it from the back of your upper back and just rake it. You can add some essential oils like peppermint, menthol, lavender. You can use Vicks Vapor Rub, okay? But you want to rake it in between your lungs. It helps expand the lungs, relax the lungs, and guess what? It's going to make you cough even more, but which is okay because you want to get that mucus from deep in your lungs. You want to get it out. This is the only way to get it out. So you have to help it get out and spit it out, right? Make sure you like this video and make sure you follow me for more awesome tips.